Guys, I just wanted to talk really quickly about transition phrases. So today I put in Echo this document, which is tons and tons of transition phrases, like all the transition phrases you're ever going to need. But the way that we're going to use this is you're going to think about what's the relationship between the things I'm transitioning or the paragraphs I'm transitioning between. So for example, if these are things that are agreeing, like if I'm giving more than one reason why they're the best, they're agreeing with each other, then these are ones that would work. So I could say, not only is he fast, but also he's smart. Or, in addition, he is also smart. In the same way that he is fast, he is also smart. You could say first, second, third. We could say equally. Moreover, as well as, of course, there's also, comparatively, similarly, additionally. So all things that agree. Maybe when you're going to your counter-argument, you're looking at things that disagree, at things that are in opposition. So these are ones that would work there, like in contrast, or on the other hand, some people might think this, or at the same time, in spite of this, nevertheless, however, conversely. Down here is conditional. You probably won't use that for this essay, but it's like if this is true, then this is true. Examples would be awesome during your example paragraphs and your reason paragraphs. So like to demonstrate, and particularly, by all means, to put it another way, as an illustration. On the negative side, a point often overlooked. These are effect and results. And conclusion, this would be awesome for your conclusions. Time sequence is the last part, and again, probably not something that we're going to use for this essay, but I just want to walk you through when you would use these. Remember, these are sentence starters. They're just chunks. You'll have to turn them into full sentences when you use them.